Hello everyone. My name is Pawan and we are from group AdminOnly. So we are here to present our group project for web design and the it is GoHaul. So this is the landing page of our group project. It shows some basic information about the project, like what kind of vehicles we can select, and we can even pick the vehicle for our preferred dates and many more, like all the information. Then I would like to introduce our login system. So we can sign up with the user can create the sign up. So it directly takes us to the admin dashboard. And we even have three options here. First one is for user profile, and the third one is for logout. So we can directly log it out. And then we'll just log in with that user again. So yeah, we are here on the user dashboard. Over to you, Devanshu.
Yeah, so moving on to the user dashboard, you can see that we also have a nice message over here so for whoever logs in. And then it shows us that how you can find your perfect vehicle based on how much load someone has to transport. And there's also an option to view all vehicles if they want to see more choices. The page emphasizes that GoHaul is a reliable choice for moving and making easy and straightforward for anyone to find the right vehicle. And last is meet our team, which showcases all our group members, and there's the footer over here. So let's now move forward to booking a vehicle. Over to you, Saurabh.
Hello everyone. This page showcases our range of available vehicles, each displayed with detailed information. You can see here. It is designed using Next.js components on top of Next.js and React.js, ensuring responsive and user-friendly interface. The backend integration fetches real-time all vehicles and data about all vehicles availability specification, enabling dynamic updates and seamless user interaction. So here you can select the type sedan, luxury, compact, truck, and you can view the details according to that. Here you have the availability. If the vehicle is not available, then you cannot book it, and only you can see the details of available vehicles. So you can see here few details, and you can get the price, and you can see the status also. It is coming from backend, and after that it is available. You can book it. So now I will hand it over to Devanshu to show you the further process.
Yeah, moving on towards the book now. After clicking the book now, a pop-up will appear where you can select the start date. So let's select a date, which is 12th, and let's also select end date as well. So as you can see over here, it gives you a booking summary as well, and then we can confirm our booking, which will take us to the My Bookings one. So here are few bookings that I've already created by this user, and the latest one was this, which we created just now. And it's showing pending as of now because the payment hasn't been made yet. And now over to Rahul, and he will showcase you the payment detail.
So hey there, so now I will walk you through the payment process in our project. So we have integrated Stripe for the secure and efficient payment handling. Let me demonstrate the complete flow step by step. So first we'll simulate a scenario using invalid card details. I'll put in the invalid card details provided by the Stripe to decline the payment. As we see, the error pops up. So now let's now move on to with the valid card details. I'll simulate a successful payment scenario. 021 1. So here we could see that we receive a confirmation response indicating that the transaction was successful. This demonstrates that our integration works seamlessly for the successful payment. So after the payment, we'll navigate to the Stripe's dashboard to confirm the webhook. So here, now let's look at the Stripe dashboard. The Stripe sends us the updates to our backend via the webhook endpoint. So whenever there is a change in payment status, here we can see that the event is successful. Here the time is 5:42. That's our latest transaction. So now let's look at the backend logic in the webhook controller based on the payment status we received from the Stripe. Based on payment received from the Stripe. the new transaction is created with the complete status as marked, and the booking status is changed to confirm. So this ensures that the system stays synchronized. So finally, we'll validate the outcome. Devanshu will now show you how the booking was marked as confirmed.
So yeah, as you can see over here, the booking is now confirmed. The last one that was just pending, and yeah, the system helps users manage their bookings and plan their schedules accordingly. Bookings can be confirmed or remain pending based on the transaction status, which is monitored through a webhook that updates our database in real time. Next, we will see the admin points. Over to you, Pawan.
Thanks, Devanshu. So I'll walk you through the creation of user, admin and his login system. So I'll just create a random user. So we even have this odd validation in place. Oh, sorry. And it will take a admin code. It will take admin code, which will be validated in the backend. So in real system, we will just generate some type of OTP or token on the organization's mail ID or any valid. So this is the yeah. So the user admin is created. We will just create a login name. So here we are on the admin dashboard. It shows us some basic information like total users, how many active vehicles are there, and total bookings this one. And this revenue is hard coded as of now, and we can even see the CFU of the recent bookings. Thank you.
Thank you, Pawan. So here we have the vehicles management overview panel. So you can see we have all the vehicles listed over here, and the type is also here, and status is also here. So you can, the admin can post the vehicle by clicking on add vehicle, and he can just randomly give a model. So I can say Ferrari, and type is sedan, capacity is 2, and price per day is 120. License plate, we can give a random license plate, so 1 to 3. So vehicle is added successfully, and you can see here that it is available and it has been added. And you can also filter by type, by sedan, complex. So now I will hand over to Devanshu to show you other things.
Yeah, so admin can also will be able to see all the users that have logged in. This was the latest user that we just logged in with, and there's also bookings tabs which will show you all the bookings, the user ID, the vehicle ID, and which date and the end date they have booked it for. You can also filter this by status, which is pending and confirmed. Sorry, cancelled as well. And we can also view details, and it is going to show you all the details of that particular booking. Over to Rahul for the transactions part.
So now let's move on to the admin dashboard transaction section. So where we manage and view all the transactions in the system. So on the screen, we can see the list of transactions, each with detailed information about the user, booking ID, and the transaction status. So next to the user ID and transaction ID, we have a copy icon. This functionality has been implemented using the Fugu project API, which provides seamless and efficient keyboard support for copying and sharing data. So let me demonstrate how this works. So we can click on it to copy, and then once copied, we can paste it. It's copied, we can paste it into the filter bar at the top of the dashboard. This will filter and display all the related. This will filter and display all the related transactions to that specific user. Additionally, there is a view option for each transaction. Clicking this option opens a detailed view of transaction, showing all the relevant information such as payment status and more. So finally, we'll wrap up by log out of the dashboard, ensuring the session ends securely. Moving on to the next step.
Yeah, so there's also a PWA option that we have for our web, and yeah, it actually is PWA friendly, and it comes in my applications as well. So yeah, thank you so much for uh, uh, this project and the opportunity to showcase our skills. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.